Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean Vans slip-ons in a few easy steps using household items that you may have accessible to you, and hopefully creating an easy way of cleaning them. Before we start this video, I'm going to include some before images of them, that way we can compare them at the end to the final product. I decided to use these pair of Vans because I mainly wear them to work outside, and they have good grass stains from mowing the lawn that I need to clean off. I tried finding the best household items possible to use throughout the process. The first item you'll need is a bucket of warm water. The warm water will help loosen the dirt and debris from the canvas on the shoe. The next item you'll need is a bottle of Dawn dish soap. The dish soap will be added to the water to prep the shoe for scrubbing. Next, grab a rag and dip it into the bucket. Move and slosh it around in order to mix the dish soap and the water together. This is what you'll use to wipe the shoes before beginning. Next, we'll need a bottle of Dawn Platinum Power Wash Dish Spray. I strongly believe that this is the most effective way of cleaning those hard-to-reach grass stains off of both the sides of the shoe and the dirt on top of the canvas. I mean, look at this stuff. It melts it right away. The final product that we'll need before we begin is a hard bristled brush. This will help make sure to clean all the dirt and debris off the entire shoe. Let us first start by dipping our rag into the soapy solution. Doing this will ensure that we prep our shoes properly in the most effective way. In my case, I'm going to focus on the most affected areas first. Make sure to wipe down all surface areas that are going to be treated. I will wipe down the sides of my shoes the most because that is where the grass stains are most prominent. But you need to make sure that you wipe the top canvas, all sides, and the bottoms and the back of the shoe in order to get any dirt or debris that may be sitting on the shoe off. Any dirt or debris that is still sitting on the shoe can cause problems in the future, and you'll see why. It is essential that all dirt and debris is first wiped off the entire area of the shoe. That way it's easier to scrub them and clean them. Let us start by grabbing our bottle of Platinum Power Wash Dish Spray. As you can see, the most focused area that I am focused on is the sides of the shoe, which has the most prominent grass stains. I will also spray the tops, sides, bottoms, and the back, ensuring I cover most of the shoe that I intend to clean. Make sure you cover the area of the shoe that you intend to clean the most, because that will ensure proper cleaning of both shoes. Now I'm spraying the side of the other shoe. Look at the top. I'm spraying the top as much as I can to make sure I cover the entire shoe. Next, I'm going to grab my bristle brush and dip it into the warm water mix. That way the warm water will help loosen up some of the dirt and debris stuck on the shoe. I'll start by scrubbing the sides as vigorously as I can. It's a workout and you have to be prepared, but at the end it'll all be worth it. Notice how I'm scrubbing vigorously. The more vigorous, the more clean the shoe will be, and in my case, I really need it to be clean and get those grass stains off. Now I'm scrubbing the top of the shoe. The top of the shoe tends to have the most dirt and debris. Make sure you clean and scrub the top of the shoe the best you can because the most dirt and debris tend to live there and stay there. In my case, the top of the shoe is most dirty because of the grass dust that builds up while I mow my lawn. Here I am continuing to scrub the sides. The sides and the front are key. The back, there's the back. The back is the most missed part, and if you miss the back will end up leaving a black spot. And if you leave that black spot, then your shoe's not going to be completely clean. Here I am completing the side. Now the front. The front gets tended to the most because when you walk, you hit the front of your feet a lot. The front of my feet always hit the newly mowed grass and it leaves the stains the worst. That is hard and awkward to scrub with two hands, but it's easy because you have to just scrub vigorously. Here's the other shoe. Look at all that power wash. Wow, it melted it all off. Keep scrubbing. Scrub vigorously as I am right now because that is the most effective way of cleaning. I cannot say it any clearer than that. Keep scrubbing. The more you scrub, the more that'll come off and the more that it will be worth it in the end. Make Make sure you scrub it all off though, because you don't want to leave any grass stains or dirt or debris on top. As hard as it is scrubbing, it will be worth it, I promise you. Next, grab a dry rag. The dry rag can help clean the dirt and stains off better than ever before. The tension between the rag and the rubber on the sides of the shoe can cause all the grass stains or stains that you may need to be cleaning off to come off right away. The more tension and the more scrubbing, the better the outcome. That's the entire point of this entire video. Scrubbing is the key. The more scrubbing, the better the outcome. Scrub the bottoms, scrub the sides, scrub the top. And you may, after scrubbing with a dry rag, need to finally completely wipe the entire shoe off one more time to ensure that all dirt and debris that may have gotten onto the shoe while cleaning the shoe is completely off. In my case, some of the paint on my fireplace rubbed off and it got on my shoes. So I just took a dry rag and wiped all that debris off, and wow, the end product is amazing. Begin by grabbing our dry rag. Take your dry rag and clean off all surface areas of the shoe that you just treated. You'll see a big difference already by just wiping that excess debris and dirt off. As you can see in my case, I think all the grass stains that were on the side of the shoe as well as the dirt on top are completely gone. Keep wiping vigorously and cover most surface areas in order to ensure the best cleaning possible. Look at how clean my shoe looks. I can't believe it. That is why I believe that this is the best way of cleaning Vans shoes. Dawn Power Wash is a miracle spray, and that's why this household item is intended to work the way it does. Last, grab a little brush just to brush off any dust that may be left on the surface of the shoe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.